If you are still finding it difficult to make use of the PowerClip tool in CorelDRAW, then this video is exactly for you. So what I'm going to teach you is very simple and straightforward. This is a text that we have shaped with the envelope tool over here, and what we're going to do is we're going to make this a container that is going to carry this content, this golden background. That is what you can do with the PowerClip tool. And also these two circles here, we're going to add this lady into this circle. So this circle is going to be a container that is going to be carrying this lady, and this second circle is also going to be a container but with a twist. So let's get right into it. Now, in order to PowerClip this golden background into this gold text, we simply select the golden background, go over to the object, PowerClip, place inside frame, and once you do that, your cursor will turn to an arrow shape and you click on the object you want to place it in. And to edit this, as you can see, is not well fitted. You simply click on the gold text, click on edit, you get into the gold text, and you position this shape exactly as you want it to be. And when you are done, you go ahead and click finish, and voila, you have a beautiful golden text. Then we're going to use this circle as container for this beautiful lady over here. So how do we do that? I'm going to duplicate this. You select the image you want to put inside the shape. You go over to object, PowerClip, place inside frame. You see the arrow appears and you click the object, and it immediately gets PowerClipped into the circle. Now, to edit this lady and change her position, you can either go to edit or you can right click and select edit PowerClip. Now you can zoom in, resize the lady however you want it. Nice and easy. And when you are done, you can click on finish, and there you have it. Of course, you can equally change the color of the circle, and you can see the color. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this. So what I want to do with this, I want the lady's body to be in the container and I want her head to be outside. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'll first of all move the body to how I want it to be. Okay, we can have something like this. Good. Then I'm going to finish this up. Now I will simply copy this and paste it. Once I do that, I will select the image and extract it. Then I will shift this down so I can see the circle that I extracted from, and I'll simply delete that circle. So I'll bring this object to the front now so we can have the image the design that we want. So all I need to do is to pick my shape tool and crop out the parts that are outside, and there you have it. Very easy. You can just crop out the other areas, and there you have it. Very easy and straightforward. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. See you in my next video.